Air. So, kinash lang namin. 310, no? Isa.
Yes.
Yeah! Are you excited? Yeah! Diyan ka magbibili ng ticket sa express ticketing nila. Tapos doon kami pumunta. Tapos nag-ask kami ng assistance kasi cash. Tapos yun, lumapit siya. Tapos yung card nila yung ginamit. So, nandito yung bilihan ng mga food nila. O rin yun eh. Yung Thai movie. Kaya lang April 4 pa. Papaload ulit sa cash card. Dito kami ulit kakain. Crab fried rice, dumpling, o noodles duck ata itong in-order niya. Parang mihipon din. Tapos river prawn. For lunch. Last day na namin. Ibugan time. Wow. Let's eat!
Parang ang laki ng rice ko yun.
Kesa kahapon.
Oo.
Yun, popcorn. Caramel.
Thank you.
Cinema tree. Okay. Kita try namin yung ordinary cinema nila dito. So, sa cinema tree kami papanoorin namin Kung Fu Panda. Hey, Panda. Cinema tree. Tignan natin ano itsura ng kanilang cinema. Ha?
Anong number tayo?
Listen, I got mixed up with some bad cats, and I need your help. I don't see you for years, and when I do, you pull me into a life of... No, please, no. Ow, it's so high. Ow, it's really hurting. Ow, ow, ow. If I don't make it back, tell my story. Part of me wants to help him. No.
Hey. Si Mola.
Ano yan? Dalawa. Parehas?
Hindi. Hindi mo pa inumin habang mainit. Cappuccino and flat white.
Gusto ko yung tapang.
It depends on which city to be used.
Or raw sugar.
Has that, but in certain way, let's say for Antarctica, it's important. Telling noon about this. Often do it face to face, but yeah.
Pumunta na kami ng airport, so nag-book na lang kami ng Grab. We're now here sa Payatay Station, so bumibili lang siya ng ticket. So ito, connecting na tong Payatay Station going to the airport link.